flight should you wish to be a member. Safety regulation prohibited carrying any damaged and defective line records and lithium batteries, including those containing equipment. If you are carrying any such device, please inform the cabin crew immediately. When a device is damaged or it becomes hot and produces smoke, lost enough falling into the seat structure, you are required to inform the cabin crew. In preparation for takeoff, kindly switch off all your electronics device and mobile phones. For takeoff, smoking is not allowed on board. And usage of any electronic cigarette is strictly prohibited. All lavatories are fitted with smoke detectors. For takeoff, please ensure that your seat belts is fastened to tables and foot at rest are stored in a seat back is in upright position. And place your hand luggage in the overhead storages or under the seat in front of you.
I'll get down.